Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I thought why don't I make this video so much special so that you can get some value out of it. Value in terms of money. So today I'm going to show you how you can create money making tools using Excel. Did I say money making tool? Yes, I did say that I'm going to help you make money making tools. So how you can make money making tools using Excel? So if you are a trader who trades in stock market, then you must know that what is the value of the data and how we can analyze the data. So if you have live data available with you in your Excel file, then you will be easily able to set your stop loss, your target, and also you can set it as per your wish. So you don't have to open your calculator and find out at what price I'm going to get 3% profit or at where I have to set my stop loss. You can simply do this with some formula in Excel and you don't have to calculate it for each and every stock. So here I'm going to show you how you can fetch live data from NSE into your Excel file. So once you get this data, you will be able to analyze thoroughly into your Excel file and you will be able to set targets, and also you will be able to predict whether market is going to be bullish or bearish based on certain conditions which are going to apply into our data. So let me tell you one scenario. So if you know that today Bank Nifty or Nifty is going to be bullish, then you can easily make your trade and you can take the position long on call side if it is a bullish, or you can buy put positions if you know that market is going to be bearish today. So how you can find out this all things and how you can utilize this data, how you can fetch it into the Excel file. I'm going to first fetch the data from the NSE website. So today I'll be using new NSE website. So once you fetch the data, what option strategy you are going to apply? Strategy is simple. We are going to analyze open interest and price change. So change in open interest and change in price can give you a fair idea about what is happening in the market, whether long liquidation is happening or long buildup is happening or short buildup is happening or short covering is happening. Based on this data or based on this analysis, you will be able to see in your Excel file so at which strike price you can short your position and at which strike price you have to buy your option. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Open your favorite browser and type NSE India option change and hit the enter button. Once you hit the button, you will be able to see two websites. First website is www.1nseindia.com and the second one is www.nseindia.com. We'll click on second website. Now we are on the second website. Here you can see the message. You are on the new website, and if you wanted to go to the old website, then you can click here and go to old website. This is the table which we wanted to fetch into our Excel file. So here we are going to open our developer option. Here you can press Ctrl Shift I and open our developer option directly, or you can press this three dot button. Then you can go to more tools and select developer tools. Then you have to select network tab. If nothing is shown here, then you can press Ctrl R. It is going to reload your page and reload the link of this pages also. Here you have to copy the last link web address. We're going to paste it in our text file. In order to fetch option live data into our Excel file, we'll be needed two things. First one is our option change link address, which we are going to copy here, and the second one is our headers. We'll be needed four types of headers. So how do we get the headers? Well, click on this link and it is going to give you the headers. First headers we need is a cookie. So we are going to copy it and paste into our text file. Down. Here we will be needed these two request headers, accept encoding and accept language. We are going to copy it and paste it into our text file. Scroll down. Now we need this user agent. So we are going to copy it and paste it into our text file. Here we got our link address and four types of headers. Let me zoom in here. Here we will be needed certain parts of cookies. So I am going to delete the part which we don't need in order to fetch the file. So let me delete the part which we don't need. Let me open my Excel file. I am going to open a blank workbook. Now we will go to the data tab, then new query, then other sources, then we are going to select from web. Now you have to click on advanced. Here you have to enter the website. So we are going to enter the website address which we have copied earlier. I have copied it. Now here I am going to enter it. So I have entered the website. Now I am going to add these 4 headers here. So first I am going to add this cookie. So I am going to copy it and paste it here. And also I am going to copy paste the value of this cookie, which I have already copied in my text file. So this is my cookie value, which I am going to paste there. Here I am pasting my cookie value. Now I am again adding one more header, which is accept encoding, and I am going to paste the value of this header. Will be needed accept encoding value up to deflate only. So I am going to delete this br and I am going to copy and paste gzip deflate. Now again I am going to add one more header, accept language and its value. Now I am going to add one more header, user agent, and I am going to copy and paste its value also in front of this. Now hit the OK button. It is going to fetch the data from the website and it is going to display it into our advanced editor. Here you can see 2 types of data. First one is records and other one is filtered. So records means all the data and filtered means we are going to fetch particular filtered data into our file. So here it is in the form of the list. So we have to convert this list into the table form. So we are going to double click on the list. Now here we are going to click on this to table and it is going to convert our data into table form. Click OK. Here our list is converted into table form, but it is giving one column only. So we have to expand it. Click here and select the data which you need in your Excel file. I'm going to deselect expiry date. Since I already know that the data which I am fetching from this website is of expiry date. Then hit OK button and you are good to go. Here you can see 3 columns, strike price, CE and PE. So here I am going to rearrange the column and I am going to expand this CE column and PE column. In this expansion also I am going to select the data which I need personally in my Excel file. I am not going to take unnecessary data since I already know that if I am going to fetch this data into my Excel file, it is going to take lot of time and lot of resources of my computer. So I am going to select the data which I need in my Excel file to analyze this live Nifty option chain. Once you are done with the selection, hit the OK button and here you can rearrange the column also. I have rearranged this column as per option chain data of NSE. Select all the data and change its type to decimal number. If you wanted to change rows, columns, or if you wanted to do mathematical calculations, you can do it here under various tabs. Whatever changes you are making to this table, you can see it on the right side. Now click on close and load and it is going to load this data into your Excel file. Once this data is loaded into Excel file, I am going to do the formatting and I am also going to analyze this data. Let me select this data and align it horizontally and vertically. Here I am done with my formatting. This is the strategy which I am going to apply. Let's understand this strategy. So if price change is less than 0, means if it is in minus and open interest is also less than 0, it means people are liquidifying their long position. So it is called long liquidation. If price change is less than 0, it means that your price change is in negative and open interest is positive, means open interest is accumulating and the price is reducing. It means short buildup is happening, means people are selling. So it is called short buildup. Price is also increasing and open interest is also increasing. It means long buildup is happening, means people are buying that stock for making long position. And the last but not the least, which is if your price is greater than 0, it means your price is increasing and your open interest is less than 0, it means it is decreasing. So price is increasing and open interest is decreasing. It means short covering, means whoever sold that stock at that price are now squaring off their position. This is the simple strategy which we are going to apply in our Nifty live data, and we are going to see where this long build-up, where this long liquidation or short build-up or short covering is happening. Based on this analysis, we will be able to find out at which strike price Nifty is bearish and at which strike price Nifty is bullish for both the side call and put. So if long liquidation is happening, it means people are going to liquidify their position. It means that wherever they have made the long position, they are going to liquefy it, or you can say they are selling their position. So market is bearish for long liquidation. What about short build-up? Well, short build-up means people are selling their position and they are making position as a sellers. So market is again bearish if it is a short build-up. What about long build-up? Long build-up means that people are buying the positions because they know that situation are in their favor. So market view is bullish at long build-up. What about short covering? Well, short covering means they have already made their position as a sellers at that strike price. Now their view is changing, so they are covering up their short. So again they are squaring off their position. It means people are seeing at that strike price that market is going to be bullish. You must have seen various websites where they shows maximum pen graph. They also shows where change in open interest and open interest is maximum, means at which strike price it is maximum for call and put options. Here we are also going to plot this on our graph. We are going to show this data on 2D graph. On x-axis we are going to show the strike prices, and on y-axis we are going to show open interest or change in the open interest value. Here on add, then select the data of open interest or change in open interest. Here you are able to see series name and series value. So on series name you are going to put the data which you are going to analyze, and on the series value you are going to select the column data which you are going to show into your Excel file. Here I am going to show the change in open interest from call side, so I am selecting this data. Now again I am going to show one more data which is change in open interest from put side. So that change in open interest data I am going to select here, and on the name side I am going to put change in open interest PE. On the right side horizontal axis category it is 1 2 3 4 5. So here we are going to take the column of strike price and hit OK button. So now on our x-axis it is our strike price. I am going to make it properly visible to you, and I am going to change certain settings so that it looks better. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please click the like button and hit the subscribe button.